Hi, I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. It's the middle of summer, kind of like dead center middle of July. And I don't know if folks have been visiting and noticed or enjoyed, but we have this massive cottage garden that's been planted with perennials and flowers and butterflies and texture and color. Just a beautiful, almost looks like a country cottage garden of perennial flowers. Well, by the time you get from January to July, things kind of get overgrown, tired, big, and what are we going to do? Prune them back a little branch at a time, make no dent in it, get frustrated, or what I will show you today is what we do, and that is, and so as we arrive in July, the beautiful country cottage garden starts to get a little bit overgrown, a little bit looking on the tired side. Probably time to do a little bit of trimming and pruning. So I told my staff, I asked them, would you guys go out and please prune the country cottage garden? Well, here I come the next day, and holy mokers, this looks like a war zone. It is flat to the ground. Somebody's going to get in trouble, and it's not going to be any of my staff. You want to know why? Because this is exactly how you do it. You see, perennial plants, all of their strength is in the ground and in the base of the plant. And so if you want to freshen them up, then all you do is cut it to the ground. And you will be amazed that in just several weeks, you're going to come back and everything starts exploding in growth again. Beautiful green foliage, new flowers emerging, and it's refreshed. It's like we sent them to the Chainsaw Massacre plant spa. And you will be so amazed how easy this is. And frankly, many of your own perennial varieties love this kind of refreshment. And you can do something very similar too. So don't be scared, and you can cut it down and then give it some fresh fertilizer, a little bit of extra watering for a couple of weeks, and you won't believe how beautiful this will be again very soon. And I'm Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com.